Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by enabling strike recording in UFC 5 so you can capture sequences immediately. Open Settings and turn the feature on, then assign a dedicated button. Once done, map that input to a controller or capture device so you don't miss moments in live matches. Make sure to test during a local spar or exhibition round because recording in online ranked may be restricted. This initial setup prevents lost clips and ensures consistent capture behavior when you start recording strikes. Now focus on how to record and organize. When you see a meaningful combo or highlight, press your mapped button to trigger the short automatic capture window, which records the immediate seconds around the strike. After the session, go to the in-game gallery or console capture hub to trim start and end frames, remove HUD clutter, and label clips with fighter and move. By tagging and trimming right away, you reduce storage use and make highlight selection faster for sharing or compiling montages later. To finish, export or share your best strikes. Open the trimmed clip and choose Export. Send to Console Cloud, USB, or the platform sharing tool so you can post or edit externally. Once exported, compress or convert if the file is too large for uploads. Use a standard MP4 codec for compatibility. If the capture fails or clips are missing, restart UFC 5, confirm strike recording is still enabled, and check available storage. Often a simple restart and clearing low space fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.